Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to do a PowerPoint presentation. First thing that we actually need to do is to set up a new file. So just go File, New Folder, and in fact I've already set one up, but basically that's how you set it up. And the reason we do this is so that we can put in all of our images, our audio files, our video files and our presentation all in one folder, so that we can actually access all of them and we won't lose it. There's nothing worse than if you're standing up and all of a sudden you haven't got your audio that you were expecting. So having created a new folder to put in our presentations, images, movie files, etc., we need to learn how to insert audio. So we need to set up a new file. So if we just go to PowerPoint, here's one I prepared earlier in best tradition, but I will open File, New Presentation or Apple New, and you automatically get a file. Now this is the title slide, but to be honest I'm not actually doing a proper presentation, so I will just go and choose a different one in this case. So how to insert audio. Very simple. We click in there, click where we want it to go, put Insert, Sound and Music, from File, and we just insert the file that we want. We just browse for it. Now in this case I think I'm going to say that the movie, or in this case the audio, starts when we click on the mouse. And this is a piece that's by Hazel Mills and we will preview it later. So next slide, how to insert a movie. Same thing would apply whether it's a movie or indeed an image. So we go Insert, as I say, if it's an image we just go Picture. I strongly recommend you don't use clip art, it's really naff. And then we insert Movie, and in this case it's one that I've pinched from YouTube. And in this case we'll say let's do it automatically. Now that's a bit high, we just resize it and realign it, and then we do a new slide. And in this case, how to insert text. Now you'll notice here, rather than just using this particular slide layout, I'm going to choose title and content, because it's automatically got the bullets in there for you to, this is text, and you can have sub-bullets as well, and the easiest way to format them is to go into View, Formatting Palette, and bring it over, and you can see if you highlight your text you can make it larger or smaller as the case may be. Is, oops, that's for do carriage return. This is subtext. So is this, and rather than, we can have bullets and sub-bullets, and the way we get sub-bullets is under bullets and numbering we increase the list level as it calls it, but basically we indent it. So that's how we insert text, and obviously we can just change it in the normal fashion. If we want to insert animations to that, highlight them, and either on the formatting palette you'll notice that there's custom animation, or under View, custom animation. And then we highlight the text, click on the green star. I strongly recommend you do something like Appear rather than something that's too dire, like Fly In or whatever. Recommend no sound, and in this case if we say animate the text all at once rather than by word or letter, and group the text on the first level, on the second level, and we can preview that. And maybe what we could do is on the second level. You can actually see the difference. This is text, this is subtext. And that's about it from that particular part. And the next thing that we actually do is insert a chart. So new slide, and go back to that. How to insert a chart. And then our charts, we go click on the tab that says charts. The easiest thing to do is use a pie chart, nice and simple. And we get onto the data. We can just insert our data. So presentations should be on content. Oops. 60%. On the speaker, 30%. And on the PowerPoint itself, only 10%. So the main thing is get your content right and be animated. We need to delete those, and you'll notice that there's a little grey box there. If we highlight the bottom right and then just drag that up one, and there we go. So when I minimise that, you'll see we've already got how to insert a chart. And again, you can click on there, drag it down so it fits nicely. So what we've done is we've created the new folder, we've inserted audio, we've inserted movies, we've inserted text and bullet points, shown you how to do the animations, we've inserted a chart, and we just need to check now how to change styles. So if we go into slide themes, you can change the themes yourself, you can customize them, but to be honest, I just like something nice and simple like this. And if you need to change the order of your slides, again you can do it in this same normal view there, or you can go to the slide changer view and just move them around by dragging and dropping. Going back to the normal view, slideshow, you can rehearse your timings, record your narration, but that loses the immediacy of it. So just do view slideshow, and here we've got insert audio. We click on it, check it. Yeah, that's working. So we click off there.
So I'm really pleased to be here today to show you some of the new...
And that was just an example of how not to do something. It was a spoof. Go to the next thing, how to insert text. This is text, and it's just showing you that it goes in at a different level, which is what we've done. How to insert a chart. Presentation should be. Now, I notice that what I've done here is I haven't put the percentages on. So if I go back onto the slide, click on there, either right click or command click if you've got a Mac, and we add data label, and there you go. And sometimes you have to do them separately, but so you can see how simple it is. Here we are, 10 minutes later, we've set up a PowerPoint presentation. And good luck and have fun.